In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. 5 minutes. We'll build a simple form that lets people rank items in order using the multiple choice grid question type and a quick setting that ensures each rank is used only once. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. Click the New button, choose Google Forms, and select a blank form. This creates a fresh canvas so you can focus on just the ranking question without any extra clutter. Give your form a clear name at the top so respondents know what it's about, like customer preferences survey or team priorities. Add a short description beneath it to set expectations. A line such as, please rank the following options from highest to lowest priority, helps people understand exactly what they're being asked to do. Now add a new question. Click the question card, then open the drop down for the question type. Switch it to multiple choice grid. This is the key. The grid format lets you create ranking by pairing rows and columns. Set up your columns first. These represent the ranks. For example, label them 1, 2, 3, 4, or rank 1 through rank 4. Make sure you create the same number of columns as the number of items you want people to rank. That way, each item can be assigned a unique rank. Next, add your rows. Each row is one item to be ranked, like product A, product B, product C, and product D. Keep row wording short and distinct so respondents don't get confused. Toggle required on for this question so everyone completes the ranking. Then click the three dots on the question card to open more options and turn on limit to one response per column. This setting is essential. It prevents someone from selecting the same rank for multiple items, which enforces a true 1 through n ranking. When your question looks right, publish the form so it's ready to share. Before sending it out, click Preview to test it as a respondent would. Try selecting a rank for each row and confirm you can't choose the same rank twice. If something doesn't behave as expected, return to the editor to adjust column labels, row items, or the required setting. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable ranking question in Google Forms using a multiple choice grid with one response per column. Save your changes, share the form with your audience, and you're good to go.